Hi, I'm Dave, and I'm working on my Altezza, but my OCD, ADHD, and whatever else is wrong with me is about to kick in because of this wire that's in a dumb place.
It's been a thorn in my side for a long time because of the stupid route it takes. Realistically, it is for the airbag, and I don't have airbags anymore, so I don't actually need it. I mean, I could take it out. It's probably going to throw an airbag light, and then it won't pass shucking. So I don't really want to do that. I just think that rather than doing this, I could run it along here and then to there without any trouble. There's probably a reason why they did that. Like maybe when this crumples, it'll do something, but I mean, yeah, I think if I crash, I'm dead anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I don't know why I'm so about side quests. I never get anything finished before I'm on to the next thing. Don't do what I do. Stick to one thing at a time. If I just see something, it annoys me. I have to do it now. So I'm just taking the airbag sensor off if I can. The bolt doesn't want to come out. Done. Right, so that's out. Now I can figure out how to get this plug off, which will be that clip there. I don't know what to pick up. Oh, it might be the whole the whole damn thing moves. That's just a lock. That's a locking mechanism. I see. So it goes in like that, and then it locks. Oh, that's really cool. Now I can't replicate it. Yeah, so that's really easy to get out. Right, that's that off. Now to route this in a more sensible manner, according to me, which should be along there and probably in with this, which is the radiator fan, and then it just pops out here. I think that's better. I'm going to bolt this back in first, make sure I've got it in the right location. Pulled this clip out, undid the tape off there. I'm going to undo the tape off the airbag sensor line, and then combine these two together. I thought this was really interesting. This clip actually bites into the conduit, which is cool. I've never seen that before. They really want this covered, so I'm not going to damage that at all. I'll run this all the way through and then keep the section that I need. Oh, look at this. Yeah, wow. Okay, cool. Right, so that's free. I need to open this up so that I can get this in there. The lighting isn't very good. Well, it's never very good. I've got plenty of lights. They just always point in the wrong direction. Now you can see what I'm doing. Now I can see what I'm doing. Oh, again. Ouch. Right, that's in. That's in. That's tidy. That's how they should have done that. Look how much better that looks. Did you see that move coming? Alright, plug that into there for the last time. Plug that in there for the last time. Plug that in there for the last time. For the last time, for the last time. Say the last time for the last time. I'm not even using brown zip ties. I'm using black ones. Look at that. You go through there. Let me know what you think. I reckon that looks better than it did before. I really want to move this though. I wonder if I can get that up onto the wall somehow. Sort of poke and prod at it until... Oh, there we go. That was easy. I think I can get this from the wheel well. I can. Is it an oval one or is it a square? Oh, it's an oval one. All right. Which means that it's only going to fit into an oval hole. But I might have a circle one I can put in. There we go. So it's that. After a lot of thought, what I've decided to try is cut that off, drill an M6 hole in it, rivsert in there, tape this onto there, and then bolt it on there like that. Wish me luck. Oh, it's already 9. It's already 9 millimeters. Don't have to drill it. Isn't that handy? Look at that. It's meant to be, mate. Yeah. Yeah. And that's that done. It's already a 9mm. Imagine that. It's almost like Toyota wanted me to do this. So that worked. I just need to find a bolt to go through it. I totally eyeballed this one and just going to wrap it in tape and see how we go. Okay, that looks about right. Let's see how she fits. Yep, that's, in my opinion, that fits better than it did before. We're about 1 centimeter this way, which means that this curve is closer in to that bracket. Have a look at the gap. Oh, there's 2 millimeters in it, that's plenty. That's not going to rub at all. And that's good there. Need to go along here and put this next one in. Here's the second one here. Sort of pull this taut and then figure out where this one needs to go. So you can see that, like, this is where it used to be. We're going to move it over to here. Right, that goes underneath. That goes in there. Beautiful. Because we're tidying everything up, I've gone on another side quest. I'm pulling out the bonnet popper, and I'm actually going to hide it in behind here in the wheel well. I figure it comes up out of there, right? And there's a hole right there that it could pop into. Run on the inside in there, and then pop out here and run the same route. But it would be missing from here, which is nice. Right, that comes out of there. Now we're going in here to find this hole, which is, the hole is right next to where it pops through the firewall anyway. See this? It's right there. So I popped out of there, gonna run it up through that hole there, gonna pop out of here and run through that hole there. So let's get that done and I'll show you once it's done. That all worked so damn well, I can't believe it. So I wrapped it in some wire guards to protect it from that edge, and same up there, see that? Runs inside there and then pops out here. I used the same clip, but I flipped it from the outside to the inside so it holds it. Goes along here, zip tied a protector onto the metal so that when it hits that, it doesn't touch anything. That's what it looks like from the outside. Runs back in on the standard mounts here, here, and here. I've got one zip tie holding it here because my little holder thing here is broken. But yeah, it should work like that. Side quest complete. To me, that area looks a lot better. I've still got to get that out of there, but I'm having trouble doing it. Yo.